Jim. You know, I realize I've been working on a bunch of silly projects instead of, I have some wonderful cars in this workshop, but, well, my Volkswagen here, it runs and drives fine. Porsche's dead. I need to get around to fixing that. And my 51 old still isn't quite right. I got to adjust the carburetor. And my Bluebird bus has an air leak, so I can't release the brake. But then this 650, it's got a significant coolant leak, as you can see. It just dumps it by itself. So I'm going to get to that too. But today, I'm just going to put in new hood struts for my BMW so it quits falling on my head and trying to kill me. It's real easy. Here's our new strut. And when you go to put these on, after you remove the old ones, they just snap right on. You just have to pop them over a little ball. In order to remove the old ones, you can see there's this metal clip here. So you have to use some sort of a little pick and then pull this clip up and it'll pop away, and then this thing will pop right off the ball real easy. But you have to pull this metal clip up. Kind of like that, but more on both sides. Okay, I got the top one off right there with the combination of this pick and this little tack puller, pry tool thing. So it's off. So now, of course, I have my hood supported by these two hood props, also known as brooms. And I should be able to just pop this guy right off. Okay, just like getting the clip out. The clip took a little doing. It's not that easy. And popping this off worked out, but doesn't come off that easy. Now I've got to go down here to where the bottom one is, and it's not in the most convenient spot either, and do the same thing. I got the bottom one out with this guy, so I'm going to pop in the new one. Okay, so what I did is I popped the bottom one on first. It's kind of tight in there because there's a wire or a cable pack here kind of in the way. But once I got that one on, then it's kind of a struggle to grab this thing and compress it enough to get it to come and pop onto this ball here. So expect it to be a bit of a chore. On to the other side. What a dummy. You don't have to compress the strut in order to get it on the top one. You just open the hood more. Ugh. Anyway, the second one went way easier than the first one, as usual. That's how you do the struts. So your hood stops trying to kill you. And you don't have to use brooms to hold it up anymore. I'll be getting on this real soon, like probably starting in the next day or two. We're going to make this thing roadworthy once again. And then going to make that thing roadworthy. Thanks for watching.